YouTube page. As you can see, it's Christmas time, and for today we have our Christmas tree, Christmas present, and Santa stopped here for what? To give us this amazing train that we're gonna open to show you what is inside of our Christmas present. So we're gonna open up, yes, rip it off the box. Oh, let's see what's inside. Whoa, super cool. That is what? No, I don't know. Okay, we are ready to rip out. Yeah. Oh, let's see if there's more inside. Oh my God, you know how to rip the things to get the present out of it. How long have you been doing this? Oh no, the Christmas tree is falling off. And Santa just stopped here. Let's see what's gonna happen to our present. It's just we are getting unboxed and to see how we are going to open up. So there's one more tape to remove. Let's see if you can unbox this box. There's another tape to be removed. Not good to be left-handed, huh? No, at all. So let's see what's inside of the box before. Let's see, what's that? The Thomas Railway.
And the fat controller.
Oh, awesome. Did we ever have this one?
No.
No, we never opened this one. So it's actually Christmas time and we're gonna open. Let's see what's inside. There's a few boxes. Let's see what's inside. Who's gonna guess what's inside?
Oh look, Thomas!
Thomas! Yay! Let's see. That is awesome.
Wow.
Wow, do we have another Thomas like this?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me our Thomas. Oh, it's here. See, it's different. No, it's the same. Twins. Thomas, Thomas.
Except from the face.
The face, what's the difference in the face?
Look, this one's a bit bigger, and I like this one.
Really? And we have in here the other part of the Thomas that we're gonna put on the railway. So now let's build up the railway. Let's see what's inside of this box, because it must be something good. Let's see what's inside of this box. Oh no.
I think maybe Rangers from the fat controller.
Let's open up the box properly. So no, wow, this is a tiny railway. Let's see. What's this? Oh, it's a signal. Yeah, there comes the signal and the fat controller. That is cool. Okay, so wow, we got this amazing railway. Look, all the way to Mars. That looks cool. And this one too. And this, man, that must be a very small railway. Look, I got an idea. Since this railway is very small, what do you think if we mix with the other railway that we have from Thomas? Okay, we start doing this one and then we add more. That is super cool. That's the signal station. No, a hammer. You wanna make us a hammer? Cool. Are we ready? And here, what do we have? Let's check. This is how to open. Oh.
Then the fat controller.
Is it? Ah! It's getting hard to open this box. I'm glad you saw me. What's that R and R?
I think reverse, probably like reverse and straight.
Really? And we got
Yeah.
a fat controller. So let's build up this railway to see how does it look like. Well, oh, let me see.
Why does the fat controller not?
Maybe because it's just shaped.
Or why is the fat controller a fat controller?
Oh, maybe because it does. Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's not. It's always eating. So let's build up the railway. Okay, let's build the railway. So you want to do the trucks? Cool.
So I think it's on each side.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's super cool, this rail.
There's this. Look. Put this here.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And then here will fit another 4 tons.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
It looks like you've been doing this for a long time. You know what to do.
Yeah.
Hope so. Oh no. Oh yes, we fit it. And close to the Santa. And we're gonna put our Christmas tree in here. Awesome.
And then now Thomas just needs to come by.
Okay, let's make Thomas go by.
Hey. Choo-choo.
What about the other Thomas?
I think it's missing a carrot.
That is the smallest.
Now Thomas is gonna perform some magic.
Awesome.
Look.
Oh, what happened to Thomas?
He's just getting dirty.
Oh no, that is no good.
I think he needs a wash now.
Okay, maybe we need a train station, a train washing. Oh
No, I
no.
think Thomas was going to walk and slow down too.
And then we're gonna need to rebuild and bring the train back on the track.
Yeah, okay.
We're gonna rebuild the railway again. And so we can take the train to the service station and to the washing station. Let's keep building our railway. What else do we?
This.
Oh, what's that?
It's like a washing station.
Oh, awesome.
So here, and that, and then here, you can control this tiny bit.
Awesome. So let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Let's put the Thomas back on track.
Wait, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yes, let's make it electric with the Brio, combined with the Brio.
Real smart.
Smart tech.
Okay.
So let's see how does it work.
Cool. That's cool.
Let's finish the track. Here comes the collection of Thomas. Super cool. What do we have? What? The helicopter. Wow. That's another super cool train.
It's here to
Help?
help. Yeah, push all the time. It's very powerful. Let's try it with this. Oh, I think the helicopter's got a spotlight.
Helicopter. Oh yeah.
Looks like there's another helicopter somewhere here.
Wow. Where's the flight controller?
Over here. Controller coming.
Awesome. Thank you for watching our video. So hope you enjoy our Christmas video with special subscribe and like and thumbs up.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching our Thomas and friends. So here's our Thomas collection. Awesome.